I took curbside trash and turned it into our dining room centerpiece. I wish I took some before pictures, but stupidly I didn't. This is how it turned out. Here's one after the epoxy pour with still raw wood sanded walnut handles. This project used a 15 kilovolt transformer to burn an arc through the wood. In the future, I'll do a full video on that. We long wanted an interesting and unique centerpiece for the dining room table. I live in a city that does spring household garbage cleanup where people can put furniture and old items, discarded items out on the curb. It's kind of fun to drive around and see what people put out there. Every time there is solid wood, I'll pretty much grab it. Easy enough and will fit in the vehicle. Um, Sometimes even veneered pieces, but veneer is so thin these days that even sanding it once, you kind of risk burning through. But this was a piece that was left out in the rain. It was weather checked, badly scratched, had water rings on it. But I grabbed it anyways because it was solid wood and I knew I could do something with it eventually. So this is what I came up with. I ended up completely sanding it, removed all the water rings, the scratches, and then I started playing with epoxy. Um, I created this high voltage arc in the middle using a 15 kilovolt supply. Filled it with gold mica powder. So it's kind of like a gold lightning type arc in the middle. And then I did a deep pour of epoxy on top. Here's a tip that I learned that nobody really tells you. If you're going to be doing any deep pouring of epoxy, you must seal the wood first. Otherwise, you're going to get never-ending air bubbles, especially if there's knots, voids in the wood, or where two pieces are joined. It'll be a nightmare and it will never turn out right. And you'll have to fill the bubbles individually and re-flood the whole surface. So I just used a common epoxy you can get on Amazon. There's many types out there. And it's been a great centerpiece for us. We don't have to worry about spilling on it. It's epoxy, it can take liquids. We can put glasses right on it. It gave some visual interest to the dining room table. So another fun, kind of free, just cheap woodworking project that added to interest in this room.